Welcome back, everyone. Today, I'm going to walk you through a very practical skill, how to customize index pages for your objects in HubSpot. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to tailor the way you and your team view records, making your workspace cleaner, more efficient, and personalized to suit your workflow. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, before you start customizing, it's important to know that you'll need super admin permissions on your HubSpot account. This gives you the power to set the default views for everyone, not just yourself. If you're not sure whether you have these rights, you can check with your system administrator or look for the super admin label in your user profile. This step matters because it ensures that any changes you make will benefit your whole team, helping everyone stay on the same page, literally. Next, to begin customizing, you'll want to navigate to your HubSpot account's settings. You'll find the settings icon, the little gear, in the top navigation bar. Clicking this brings you to the control center for your HubSpot setup, kind of like opening the toolbox before starting a project. Once you're in the settings area, focus your attention on the left sidebar. This is where you'll find objects. Think of objects as categories, like contacts, deals, or custom objects you've created based on your organization's needs. Select the specific object you want to work with. For instance, if you're managing sales, you'll probably use deals. If you work in customer relations, contacts might be your go-to. After you've picked your object, locate the Index Customization tab. This is your gateway for tailoring what the index page looks like for each object. A quick pause here. Index customization isn't about changing the records themselves, just how they're presented in lists or tables. So don't worry, you're not altering any core data. Now, let's talk about default views and tabs. In the Default Views tab, you'll set which views show up by default for new users or anyone who hasn't built their own custom tabs yet. This is a great way to help new team members hit the ground running, as they'll immediately see the most relevant information. No more clicking around, trying to find what's important. Switching over to the All Views tab, you get even more flexibility. Here, you can manage all the existing custom views, tweaking the columns, sort order, and which filters are in place. You can also decide which views get shared across the team. Imagine this like organizing a bookshelf, not just which books go in front, but how you arrange them so everyone can find what they need quickly. Let's get hands-on with customizing quick filters and columns. Above your record table, look for the More button. This lets you choose up to 5 properties to use as quick filters. A quick filter is like a shortcut. It helps you and your coworkers sift through data faster, kind of like having labeled dividers in a file cabinet. Now, if you want to control which properties show up in the columns, click Edit Columns in the upper right corner of your table view. Here, you're free to add, remove, or even reorder the columns, ensuring that the most crucial information is front and center. Think of this step as customizing your dashboard. Maybe sales managers want to see deal amounts first, while support teams care more about contact status. When you're happy with all your changes, don't forget to hit Save. That locks in your efforts, making sure your customized views are ready for the whole team to benefit from. This part might just take a second, but it's crucial. Otherwise, you might lose track of the tweaks you've made. And that's the process. With these steps, your object index pages in HubSpot will be set up to fit your exact workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like. And if you have any questions or want to share how you use custom views, drop a comment below. Subscribe for more practical tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.